Hey guys, welcome to the video. This is the first time I'm doing this, so bear with me. So, in this series, we'll be going through the Python Data Science Handbook, Essential Tools for Working with Data. I've been taking this book and I am nowhere near completion. I just thought I could post some things that I learned from the book and walk through people who might want to do the book but get intimidated by big books. Yeah. So I'll be walking you through the book. I just said that. And we'll be taking the code a step further. So we'll learn a concept and then we'll twist it in a couple different ways and maybe just play around with it and see what we can do with it. If you want this book to stick, I recommend you practice with me or even take it a step further at your own time. Yeah. So again, this is the book that we'll be doing. And just for context, I am, where am I? Not here. Oh, yeah, I am right here. Yeah, I'm right here on the book, but we are starting from enhanced interactive features because I'm going to assume you already know how to install Jupyter notebooks and IPython. So I'm going to assume you already have Jupyter Notebooks and IPython. If you don't know how to install it, I think there's like a bunch of tutorials on YouTube on how you can do it. I just didn't want to start going through that. It feels a bit redundant if you look up a lot of data science videos and everything starts out the same way. Yeah. So when you have your Jupyter Notebooks installed, or let's just say Anaconda, when you have Anaconda installed, you have Jupyter Notebooks and you have your IPython, you can come back. Yeah. So when it comes to IPython and Jupyter Notebooks is just IPython. Yeah, but there is a section, not really a section, like there's a line of code that didn't run for me in Jupyter Notebooks and it only ran in IPython. So I recommend you install this and if you want to skip it, you could skip it, but I didn't skip a lot of things from this book, and I recommend you don't either. So there's going to be videos when I just code, and there's going to be some videos where I just talk. I just hope I'm going to have a lot of time to go through this book. So everything I learn is going to be posted here. Yeah, every chapter I finish is going to be posted here, but I'm not going to wait to finish the chapter to post it. And you might be asking about how much Python you actually need for you to take this course with me. So you don't have to complicate this. With Python, you don't have to be like super good at Python. Just make sure you understand what variables are, data types, numbers in Python, casting. Basically, this site gives you a roadmap of how you can learn Python. And if you lie somewhere around here, then you're more than good. Yeah. But if you're like, I don't know. Yeah, no. Let's just let's just say here, you're okay. You don't have to know all of the exercises line by line. Just make sure you have a basic understanding of everything that's here. So like the way the book is structured, we're going to take it step by step. So when I'm done taking you through enhanced interactive features and debugging and profiling, which is shorter than it looks, by the way, we're going to go to introduction to NumPy. I'll try to keep most of the videos really short and I'll start out with IPython shortcuts. Yeah, how to move around more fluently in Jupyter notebooks. This is not going to be super in depth on how Jupyter notebooks works. I think there's a lot of videos out there, but I'm going to cover things that are more essential to this course. Yeah. And if I leave out something, I'm probably going to mention it in another video. So don't feel like you Don't feel like you missed anything just because you're hearing it for the first time. I forget a lot, so things will come up as they come up. And be sure to let me know how I can make the videos better for you guys, or if you're taking the same book, you could let me know if I skipped something important, or if you just want me to go over something really specific. But I'll try my best to help where I can, and I hope you guys enjoy this book as much as I have. Yeah, I think that's about all I needed to cover in the introduction, and I'll try to put things in playlists to try and make them more organized. But I think that's about it. Let's begin.